Hey ma'am, this is Hookers and Blow. We're the police.
Oh, thank God! Police, you've got to help me.
Not to worry ma'am, not to worry. We're the best. We'll take care of you. So, let's start with answering a few questions. Can you describe this cat in detail?
Well, he's a short-haired tabby with the whiskers and a cute little nose, and he's got 4 white paws and big ears.
He sounds like a handsome fella. So, how old is he?
Well, he's 7 in June, and his color is orange and black and brown and white, and he's got 4 white paws, and he's got a long tail, and he's got cute little meows, like meow. And sometimes he goes meow.
Meow, you say? Is he spayed or neutered?
Spayed or neutered?
It's standard procedure, ma'am. Standard procedure, but, sometimes we just gotta ask the hard questions, But, don't worry. Hookers is the best. You're gonna count on him. Hey, Hookers, I think it's textbook kidnapping.
Please, officers, please go find him.
Not to worry, ma'am. We're the best. Count on us. But if you got a photograph, that could work too.
Ma'am, is this your cat?
Hello, ma'am. Is this your cat?
Oh, Pebbles!
Good job, partner.